Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome back to some more review action. Today we're going to be checking out another product from GoSports. It is their 40-inch tabletop air hockey. Now, I have to say that shipping was efficient with this, as always. Now, packaging is another thing, I guess you could say, that GoSports does extremely well. When you're getting your item from GoSports, it's going to be packaged up and taken care of. Let us now take an adventure together and see what came with this. So we can see the legs here and the hardware to install those. Of course, that's going to be followed by the AC charger for the fan, which will lift the puck, of which we have 3 included and 2 pushers. Also, the goals, 2 goals, or scoring for the goals, rather. And of course, we're going to have some literature here from GoSports. And on top of that, some really well printed directions that are super duper easy to follow. All right, GoSports sets you up so you don't even have to turn this thing around in the box. It already comes, down, so you can just attach the legs with the included Allen wrenches. Didn't show you that, but they give you like an Allen wrench, and on the other side of it, it has a screwdriver as well for the goals. Okay, next here, while we have the table flipped over, we're just gonna go ahead and plug in for the fan. Installation of the goal scoring situation is next here. For installing the goal scoring system, we are going to use the screwdriver that is at the end of the Allen wrench. I mean, it works, but get yourself a regular screwdriver, a power screwdriver, you're going to be able to do it a lot easier. Alrighty then, we've got this baby completed. We've got it flipped over. Let's take a look at this table. It's got a nice vintage look to it. It's got some really cool distressing on it. It's supposed to look like that. Makes it look amazing. It's kind of got that fun, authentic ice hockey flavor to it, don't you think? Now, I do have to say that the pushers are smaller than normal, so it's going to be a little harder to kind of get used to that if you're used to the big air hockey tables, but you get used to it, and it's fun. The pucks obviously are much smaller as well, and it's awesome you get 3 because you pretty much lose 1 right away. Now, are we talking measurements? We're talking measurements on this table, people. Now, the measurements on this table are roughly 40 inches by 20 inches by 8 inches. Hashtag measurements. Gonna go ahead and end with a little gameplay here. Look at the puck just skating around on top of that air. Oh, it's so fun. People, thank you for watching. Link is down below to pick up your own air hockey table. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.